To always remove filters you have applied when you close camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the filter setting is not set to be kept. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under General section, tap Settings to Keep. And then tap the blue on off switch next to filters until the switch turns green to turn it off. To see how it works, tap the back key twice. While you are in the photo mode, tap filter icon at the top of the screen. And then apply a filter. Take a photo. Next, change the camera mode to the video mode. Tap the filter icon and then apply another filter. Record a video. Now close the camera and then reopen the camera. As you can see, the camera app will automatically remove the filter that you have applied before in the photo mode and in the video mode after you close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.